For many years, 14 years, wala si may nag-response nga young people. Siya ang nagsabat sa Ginoo to go to Madagascar in Africa. Pastored for 34 years. Senior citizen, 63 years old. Answered the call of God to go to Madagascar to preach the gospel. Now, when he preached in a missions conference, Pastor Ray Masandag, a pastor in Palumpun, Liti, may building, may luti, may school, big ministry. He challenged mission. Nobody answered. He surrendered to the Lord to go to Madagascar.